Here we have for sale about October 2023 on a 73 plate Renault Trafic. This is an LL30, which means it is long wheelbase, low roof, and 3 tons gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre DCI Euro 6 diesel engine producing 170 PS in this particular example, which is roughly 170 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a fantastic 6-speed EDC automatic gearbox, and this is a L2, as I mentioned at the start, so long wheelbase, L2 Sport Plus crew van. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Renault Trafic Sport Plus crew van of this age. We'll also talk you through in detail the condition of this particular example, a bit about the service history, and what we've done to it during our preparation, seen as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. The barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. Of course, on the Sport Plus model, you do get a number of elements which come colour-coded. That includes things like the bumpers and the mirrors, which I think, when accompanied in this lovely metallic black, does make the van look very, very smart indeed. A couple of elements to show you here at the back then. We can see that we've got a reversing camera up here, of course, very nice touch. You'll see as we go around, there's these little buttons here on the door handles, and that is because it has got keyless entry, so you can walk up to the van, press that little button as long as you've got the key in your pocket, and you can unlock it, and then when you jump inside you can press a button and you've got keyless start as well. Also then down below you can see you've got rear parking sensors there, nicely integrated into the colour-coded rear bumper. In terms of condition, it's looking very clean and tidy. You're going to get the odd tiny little mark like this here on the top of the bumper, which is almost unavoidable because that is of course seeing the traffic there of items being loaded in and out of the back. But generally speaking, as you can see, it's looking really smart indeed. If we open up the rear doors, then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. And the first thing I notice in here, of course, with it being long wheelbase, just the space that you get in here is fantastic for a crew van. Of course, crew vans, you are losing a bit of load space because, of course, you have got that second row of seats. But as you can hopefully see there, you've got a fantastic load space. You'll also notice as well, of course, you've got the bulkhead, which is glazed. But under there, you've got what looks like a box there. So you've actually got storage underneath the left-hand side rear seats, and that is the box that is the storage underneath that. Inside here then, really nice condition actually. Of course, you've got ply lining on the sides, the wheel boxes and the floor. We haven't re-ply lined this is as it came into us, but it's all in really good order. All these plastics here and things, they're not overly marked or anything like that. Of course, it's not brand new, you're going to get the odd little mark here or there, but generally speaking, looking very, very clean and tidy here in the back. Now these rear doors, again, just having a close look at the condition, all looking very nice. But you can open these doors by pulling on the little arm there. You can open them right out like so. And of course, you can do exactly the same with the other door there. If we shut the doors then, we'll continue to go around the outside of the van. So shut these doors there. And we can have a look down the driver's side here. And this is where I like to look down the side in these reflections here, looking for any signs of any dents or ripples or marks or anything like that, and it is looking very, very smart indeed. There's nothing I can really fault there. It all looks to be absolutely original from what I can see as well. So the long wheelbase, you can quickly tell if it's a long wheelbase because it's got this panel here. If this is a short wheelbase, that wheel arch would be sort of up to here, so that is your extra space. It's about an extra 400mm that you get in the back of the van. Now this Sport Plus also comes with these very nice 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and I must say they are looking in really, really good order. In terms of tyres, 2 rear tyres are in very good condition, and during our preparation we put it right through the workshop for health check, its first MOT, and we also replaced the 2 front tyres. You've got 2 brand new front tyres on here. Twin side loading doors, being a factory double cab, factory crew van. So if we open up the side loading door here on the driver's side, we can see then the rear seats. Again, feature I like on these is you've got the armrests here on the center seats, so I think that's really a really nice touch. If you compare that to say a Transit Custom crew van, you don't get any of that, so that is a really nice touch indeed. And you've got Isofix compatibility here on the 2 outer seats as well. But looking here, the condition of the step, the floor, it's all looking very nice. This is the placement of the toolkit. You unwind this and it comes out like a little briefcase under there. So that is the placement of your toolkit. You've actually got a sort of a leather backed seats here as well, which are all looking very nice. Of course, being a factory crew as well, you get a full headlining in here, which definitely makes it feel more car-like. And you have got opening windows, so you can open those windows on both sides. Again, that button there on the driver's door, so again you've got that, as I say, that keyless entry. Have a look here then at the inside of the driver's door card. No issues there on the plastics there. The step and the floor, just some marks where I've jumped in and out of the dusty floor, but other than that, all looking very clean and tidy. Having a look at the driver's, you have a couple of tiny little marks just there if I'm being hypercritical, but yeah, there's no wear or anything particularly to the edge of the seat, certainly nothing excessive at all. You've got height adjustment there of the driver's seat. This will be the backrest adjustment as well, which is very nice. And you've also got the adjustable driver's armrest, little dial on the side there as well, so you can adjust that to your liking. On the right hand side then, a couple of controls here to control the height of the headlight aim. You've got, this is the illumination of the dashboard, so how bright or not you want that. And then this is where you can toggle the lane departure system as well, which is quite nice. If I turn the steering wheel over to the right hand side, behind here then we can see that we have got the volume controls and some radio controls just there. You've got auto activated lights, as you can see there. And over to the left hand side you've got that's automatic wipers. And on the left hand side you've got automatic lights. On the left hand side then you've got cruise control and a speed limiter here on the left hand side, and that's where you can control that. And then on the right hand side you've got your onboard computer controls just there as well. Into the centre then, 29,637 miles. You can see it's all idling correctly there, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. You've got a bit of extra storage up on top of the dashboard there as well. You've also got a cup holder up there on the left hand side, and then if we jump in here, we have got the nice screen here in the center, which you can see has got satellite navigation. You can also plug your phone into this here via USB. If we go on to the radio settings here, if we go into frequency, can I change this to sources? I can change that to DAB, as you can see there. And if we go back to home, I believe we go into here. No, I'm sure this has got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. I will confirm that in the advert, but I'm almost certain that this has got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Devices, I will double check that for you and find out for certain, but check in the advert, because as I say, it will be listed in there whether it has got it or not. Down below then you've got your drive modes here. You can turn your start stop on and off, and then this is sort of a train setting here. Climate control underneath, so you have got of course air conditioning, heated wing mirrors as well. You need the air conditioning on a day like today, and that is a very welcome addition. You've got your engine start button just here as well. So the keys on these are these sort of key cards, and you can, as I say, have those in your pocket, or one of them in your pocket, and you can jump in, foot on the brake, and you could start it. And then you've got your automatic gearbox just there as well. If we jump out of here then, you can see on top of the driver's door then you've got your folding mirrors just there. That's how they fold in and out, or you can leave them on auto as well, and you can adjust your mirrors just there. Round to the front of the van then, you've got, again, part of the Sport Plus, you get the Renault Pure LED Pure Vision headlights. You also get very nice fog lights there as well, which I believe are also LED. Colour-coded front bumper, but having a look at the condition here at the front, you're going to get a few stone chips here, which of course consistent with this age and mileage, just dotted around on the leading edge of the bonnet, almost unavoidable. But if I can see it, I will gladly point it out to you. As you know, if you've watched any of these videos before, looking here above the number plate, again, a couple of little touch-ins there of stone chips, and that is about it really on pretty much anywhere on the van, but particularly here on the front end. I say you're just going to get a light sort of peppering of stone chips, which, as I say, consistent with its age and mileage. Down the passenger side then, the heat is getting to me, I think, today. Having a look down the passenger side, you can see how clean and straight this is. The tiniest little pin dent just there. But yeah, it looks really smart in black, I think, with those very bright diamond cut alloy wheels. Passenger side loading door, just having a look at the rear seats from this angle, all very good. Same here. Open up the front passenger door, no issues here on the passenger seats. You can flip these seats forward like so, giving you some access to some storage underneath there. And then in the center, there's a little 12-volt socket down there, which is a nice little touch. And then you can flip these seats forward to give you access to the box there, which I showed you from the back. As you can see, you've got some really good under-seat storage there and in the front as well. So you really have got storage everywhere you look on this van. So not only have you got a massive load space back there, but you've got two big compartments here as well underneath the passenger seats. Put those back into position. But yes, very nice. I like this finish here as well on the dashboard. I think that feels very premium indeed. In terms of service history, we have got record of, it went into Renault for a health check around 10,000 miles. And then there was another service that was carried out around, I believe, 23 or 24,000 miles on the van. And we, of course, have record of that. But I say, during preparation, it's gone through our van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Care. They've given it its first MOT because it's going to be 3 years old in October of 2026. So the vehicle will be supplied with 12 months AA warranty because, as I say, at the time of recording, you've only got a couple of months left on your manufacturer's warranty. So you will have 12 months AA warranties. That will override that, so you've got 12 months from the date of sale. We can, of course, offer delivery nationwide. So if you're not local to us in sunny South Wales here, we can deliver this to you nationwide. We can also take cars or vans in part exchange, and we can arrange funding at very competitive rates as well, whether that be for private individuals or for limited companies. Thank you very much for watching.